Ann Oka. Ann Oka is Senior Vice President for Supply Management at Sodexo North America. How did you get involved with the Foodservice GS1 US Standards Initiative?
And I was actually asked to be part of this initiative after it had already been in place for a little bit before it was formally developed as an initiative, actually. And it had to do with a lot of the work we had been doing in Sodexo about data synchronization and accuracy. And because we're a rather large company, we had dragged a lot of our supply chain partners into that fray with us. So as the industry started looking at a better way of doing it, we were, I think, a natural choice to participate.
What are the key benefits of implementing standards for you and your trading partners?
It's actually huge for Sodexo. The nature of our business is such that we're operating across a number of different segments within food service. We do business with most of the manufacturers and distributors out there. And the reality is we have 23,000 different sites that we operate within North America. So to aggregate information, to understand the nature of what we buy, it was necessary to actually do the data synchronization. And as we started requiring our supply chain partners to participate and collaborate, it became very apparent that, well, we gained some competitive advantage for getting that clarity, that it was creating a bit of an onus on them, and that over the long term, for them to be able to do that work and do it once for the industry was actually better for them. It would reduce costs for all of us, all the participants in the industry, and benefit our end customer.
How important is traceability for food safety?
Traceability is huge for food safety. If we don't know where the product came from, it's very difficult to be able to ensure that it's at the right levels of quality that you need. Or in its worst case, when there's an issue in the supply chain and you need to recall things, it's important to know where it went so that you can actually pull it back.
What is the most important role of GS1 US, in your opinion, in guiding this initiative?
You know, we have an industry where everybody really relishes being individualists. We always say that we're different. And GS1's role is to get these very different partners within this and get us to all agree that we want to move in the same direction. So I see them as being the orchestra leader here.